Hello YouTube, what's up? And so I was thinking of doing an unboxing video like all the other YouTubers do, and I actually have a knife. And so y'all could send me like these all types of things like drawings, skateboards, boogie boards, hoverboards, anything you want to send me, I will do a video on. And if you do that, I will give a shout out to y'all if y'all will enter the video and do anything that in my room. And so let me do something. And so I will do Nerf videos and send me Nerf guns. Shut up! That's my little brother. So anyways, that's what I want to do normally, and yeah, and you will do Nerf guns and do different things and all types of stuff, and y'all will get a shout out, and soon if you fill my whole entire room up with pictures and stuff, I'll do a room tutorial on all y'all's pictures. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick update of my YouTube channel. Alright, peace, stay alive.